and the rough. Early lead is taken by Island Friend by the rail. On the outside is Hello Africa. And as they lead the straight, Island Friend followed by Gala's Charm on the outside, Doña Erica. And Hello Africa on the farther outside, Stratosphere and Terror Asura. Entry number 2, Yotero, and Detective Daryl is bringing up the rail. And into the backstretch, it is still Island Friend in the lead, followed by Hello Africa. And Gala's Charm running in third, moving up by the rail, Terror Asura. Doña Erica on the outside, Stratosphere and Yotero. And nearing the far turn, it is still Island Friend in the lead, followed by Hello Africa on the outside, Torasura, and Doña Erica moving up on the outside, Gala's Charm, Stratosphere, Yotero. Rounding the far turn, it is still Island Friend in the lead, followed by Hello Africa on the outside, and closing in third is Doña Erica and Gala's Charm. Island Friend in the lead by half a length, followed by Hello Africa on the outside and Doña Erica. And here comes the Stratosphere moving up in fourth. And now the last bend for home is Hello Africa by the rail, and Doña Erica now moving up on the outside. Is Stratosphere on the farther outside. At the top straight, it's Doña Erica in the lead, followed by Stratosphere on the outside. But it's still Doña Erica in the lead, followed by Stratosphere and Yotero moving up in between horses. And nearing the payoff line, it's still Doña Erica. It's still Doña Erica in the lead, Stratosphere, Yotero, and finally, it's a cinch for Doña Erica, Yotero, Stratosphere, Gala's Charm, Hello Africa, Tor Asura, Island Friend, and Detective Daryl.